Have you ever tried to play a video in your browser and boom, hit that annoying "this video cannot be played"? Error code 233011? Don't worry, you're not the only one dealing with this mess. Hey everyone, welcome back to 4D Dig. So, what's error 233011 all about? Basically, it's a video playback issue related to file access problems or corrupted data. It usually pops up because of browser glitches, messed up cache, or streaming site bugs, especially when you're watching videos embedded in JW Player or on other streaming platforms. But the good news is, the fixes are simple, quick, and I've tested them all. Let's dive into the first method and get your videos playing again. Method 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or wobbly connection can totally ruin video playback. Here's a good method for checking. Fire up your browser and head to any speed test website. Hit start or go and let it measure your download and upload speeds. If the numbers look healthy, awesome. If they're low, bingo, you found the problem. Next, unplug your router. Wait about half a minute for dramatic effect, and then plug it back in. Once your connection is back to normal, refresh the video page and see if error 233011 has finally vanished. Method 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes your browser is just hoarding too much junk, and it refuses to play nice. That's when clearing your cache and cookies comes to the rescue. If you are using Google Chrome, go to Settings and find Privacy or History. Click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select Cookies and Other Site. Don't worry, your cat videos aren't going anywhere. Hit Delete Data, then restart your browser and try the video again. Method 3. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can speed things up, but sometimes it backfires and crashes videos. This method is perfect if your browser keeps freezing or your video glitches mid-playback. Open your browser settings and go to System. Toggle the Use Graphics Acceleration when available option and restart your browser. Method 4. Disable Adblocker and conflicting extensions. Extensions can be sneaky little gremlins. Some block videos without you even knowing. Open your Google browser and go to Extensions. Then Manage Extensions. It will open a new tab in your browser where you can view a list of installed browser extensions. Closing or deleting unused extensions or ad blockers from the list should resolve the error codes on your computer. Method 5. Disable antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus software is overzealous and blocks video streaming. So first, open the search box in the taskbar and then type Control Panel. Select the antivirus from the list of programs. Click the Uninstall button. After the software is uninstalled, you will need to restart your system. After that, the error codes on the screen will no longer appear. Method 6. Repair video with 4D Dig file repair. If you've tried all the previous methods but are still encountering this error code, it means your video may be corrupted. Then it's time to call in the big guns, 4D Dig file repair. This is your save-the-day software for damaged videos, and it has a success rate of up to 99%. Click the link below to install and open the 4D Dig file repair software. On the video repair page, click the Add Video button and drag in your damaged file. Wait a moment while it loads. Next, pick where you want to save the repaired video on your computer. Once done, play the repaired video and boom, it should run flawlessly. And that's it. 6 tested ways to fix error code 233011 and finally watch your videos without pulling your hair out. If one of these worked for you, drop a like. Still stuck? Comment below and I've got more tricks up my sleeve. See you